Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from 3dgameman.com. This next question is, are very expensive HDMI cables any better than inexpensive ones? Signal-wise, absolutely not. You can go out and buy a $10 HDMI cable and it will be the same signal-wise as a $100 HDMI cable. The difference is in the construction, really. The casing, how it's put together, the ends, and also whether they're gold tipped and so on and so forth. Also, brand name plays a big part in this. And the reason is, this is digital. We're talking about binary, zeros and ones. It either works or it doesn't. So save your money and just get a reasonably priced, well-constructed HDMI cable over something that's ridiculously priced. Hope this answers your question, and keep your questions coming.